NASA scientists keep watching a huge asteroid approaching Earth, day after day. NASA scientists show the possibilities expected to emerge in the next few days. The largest width is estimated at 1,100 feet, approximately the size of a football field, and is expected to be closest to Earth on June 6. However, scientists do not expect a collision on Earth. The closest approach will be 3,160,000 miles. There are 3 others the size of a plane, and 1 the size of a house also making their way toward Earth over the next few days. Scientists don't think there are any concerns about these asteroids either. The nearest distance is 1,830,000 miles from Earth on Wednesday.